Hey YouTube, today we're talking cache. Ever wondered how websites load in a flash the second time you visit their website? That's caching at work. And it's one of the most powerful trick in system design. I would say the most one. So in this video, you will learn, you will explore what is caching, the different kinds of caches, and how they actually work, and how to use them to make your app quite fast, scalable, and cost efficient. Okay, so let's talk about what is caching. I need my pen here. So caching means keeping a copy of something that takes time to get. So you can reuse it later instead of asking the database every time we grab the answer from a super fast memory. Let's take an example. So let's say that we have a small system. We have a client here, and the client sends a request to the server. For example, the client wants to query a product type or something like that. And the server will query this product from the database. Okay. And the database will send the product back to the server. The server send it back to the client. It's good, it's working, it's okay. But what if we can make it faster? And also what if we can reduce the load on the database? So we will use cache. So a cache here is an in-memory storage, so it's way more fast than the database that will store the frequently accessed data. So when the client try to request the same product again, the server will get the product or fetch this product from the cache instead of fetching it from the database. So how this will work. So let's say the client want a product X, for example. Okay, so the client will ask the server, I want product X. The server will ask the cache, do you have product X? If the cache have product X, that call a cache hit. The product X is returned and the client will get the product quite fast. But if the cache doesn't have this product that called X, the server will fetch it from the database, and after that it will store it in the cache for future use and return it to the client. So if the client or any other clients want this product again, it will be served directly from the cache. Okay, but why we use this? Like, why this is important? Why are we using caching? So first thing, we have a faster response time because data is served from an in-memory storage. Number two, we have lower back-end load because there are fewer requests hits database right now because all the frequently accessed data are served from the cache. Number three, it's cost efficient. So basically it's less compute time equals smaller bills. Number four, it has like happier user in the end of the day because we have fast apps equals a better experience equal a happier user. Okay, next we will talk about what are the types of caches. First we have in-memory cache. In-memory cache stored in RAM. It's super fast. It's used for things like session or frequent queries. Tools like Redis and Memcache are used for this one. Next we have distributed cache. This one is spread across multiple machines, perfect for scaling big system. An example for that, Redis cluster. Next we have client-side cache. This one is stored in your browser. Think of images, scripts, or local storage. It helps with page speed. Next, we have database cache. This one cache query results. It's has fewer read, faster response. It's pretty good. And lastly, we have a CDN or a content delivery network. This one caches static files like images or videos close to your users. Think of like a Cloudflare or Akamai or Akamai. I don't know the pronunciation of it. Next, we have caching strategies. I will go on high level on that in the future videos. I guess we will create in-depth videos, a full series of that talks only about caching. This will be a pretty long one. Maybe it will have like 20 videos or something like that. But for now, we're just making everything easy, and yeah, we talk high level only. So first we have a read-through cache. So this one, a check cache. It's a check cache first, and if it missed, it pull from the database and store in the cache. Number two, we have write-through cache. This one write to both cache and database at the same time. This one called write back, and this one is write to cache first, back, and the DB is later. It's fast but quite risky. And lastly, we have cache aside or lazy load. This one, like app, will handles read writing from both database and cache manually. It's popular and flexible as well. Next, we need to talk about a cache eviction policy. First, we have LRU, which is least recently used. It's used for evict all the or unused stuff. Number two we have LFU or LFY, not U. I'm learning German, so you'll find me doing that things because in German you said U, LFU. So LFU, it's least frequently used. It's basically evict least popular data. FIFO, it's first in, first out. It's basically you remove the oldest data period. And here we have TTL, which is time to live. This auto remove after like X amount of seconds. Okay. Next, we need to talk about some common caching challenges. The first one, we have cache invalidation. This one is huge. Like when to remove or update the stale data. This is the challenge. I will not talk about how to solve them. We just will talk that there is a challenge, and this is the challenge. We will not talk about solving these challenges and how to solve these challenges in this video, because I guess this topic is quite a big topic, and it should be a topic by itself. Next, we have cache coherence. This one, keeping cache in sync with the database. We have here cold start. This one, empty cache on restart, which is slow first requests. Next, we have cache penetration. I always mispronounce this one. It's penetration. What I meant.
Penetration.
Penetration, yeah, penetration. Sorry. We have here cache penetration. This spammers hitting non-existing data repeatedly. And here we have cache stampede. I guess I am pronouncing it right? Let me. Yeah, stampede.
Stampede.
Yeah, it's stampede. I'm pronouncing it right. So we have cache stampede. This means like many users trigger the same expensive rebuild. I guess in the future we will create videos that talks about each one of them. No, go back. Each one of them in details, because I guess each one of them deserve at least one video. We will talk about some best practices. First, you need to cache what's expensive to compute. Number two, you need to use time to live or TTL wisely. Number three, you need to warm up the cache when booting. Number four, you need to use layered caching like browser plus server plus CDN. Number five, you need to always monitor cache hit miss ratio to know if your caching strategy is actually working. Okay, so that's it for this video. Caching is one of the easiest way to supercharge your app's speed, but only if you use it right. Next video we will okay, I'm right now I didn't decide yet. What should I do? Should I continue talking high level, or should I go deep on caching? Because if I went deep in caching, I guess I will have to create like about 20 more videos. I'm still thinking about it, but stay tuned, guys.